video walkthrough of this street level 1-bedroom right across from the Forest Hills T station on the Orange Line. Okay, we have a beautifully updated kitchen, open range gas stove, dishwasher, stainless steel, some Formica tops, built-in microwave, some nice cabinetry. Got your fridge in the corner. All right. And the floor is a faux hardwood floor. I believe it's probably maybe like a linoleum. You got a very deep closet here. It's pretty much like a walk-in closet. And then your bathroom, very well lit. You got your vanity, sink, toilet, all right, your lights, and your shower. Okay. Well, let's go check out that bedroom now. Okay. I'm just gonna slip in here.
Okay.
Yeah. No worries. So you got your bedroom here. Let's see what's behind this. Okay, it's just a wall. You do have a window over there in the corner. Got a closet right here. Now, this location really is great for Northeastern, people that need to get to Northeastern, and even Longwood. It's not terribly far from Longwood. You're right on the Orange Line, literally right across the street. So it's a great location. If you're hoping for more information, just reach out. Angel at eastcoastrealty.com.